So how can we use the new Live Color Space feature in Video Toolbox Premiere 2025? So here's an application where we have some text written. It's a date, and we are suspicious of the number 24. We suspect that it might have actually been a 21 that was modified with at a later time with a different pen. And so we're going to take a look at the pen strokes that make up the 4, with the idea that there might be a slight color difference between them that we can identify in a different color space. Obviously, because they're both black, it's very hard to distinguish an absolute difference here just by looking at it in regular red, green, blue color. So we're going to pull up our color space options, and here we're going to switch to a space called HSV, Hue, Saturation, and Value. We're going to do a quad view, which means that we're going to look at the live image, the raw image, and then we're going to look at each individual color space simultaneously. So here we can see all 4 Hue, Saturation, and Value along with the actual live image, and we can already see in our Hue space that there looks to be a slight difference between those 2 pen strokes in the Hue. But we're going to enable our manual control so that we can make some adjustments. And here we can see that in our saturation space, which is an identifier of color, that there is a very noticeable difference between those 2 lines, which indicate that those 2 pen strokes are of different color and were written with different pens. So that's an application. If you think you have an inspection application that might benefit from being able to look in different color spaces in real time, contact us. We'd love to help you. Thank you.